We hear of spring cleaning, but I think there should be fall cleaning as well. And you've got something that actually can help tremendously.
Absolutely. I mean, we are all spending so much time inside. Get natural cleaners that don't have harsh chemicals or smells, but you want to get something that's still going to get the job done. So Rejuvenate just came out with their brand new natural cleaners for the floors, because those are what always need the most help in my house. So it's gentle enough to use every day when my son's in the room, when my cat's walking around, but effective enough to really get rid of that dirt and that grime. And what differentiates this cleaner is their green hybrid technology. So it's plant-based, not soap-based like most other cleaners. Those soap leave streaks and it means you're cleaning more, not this plant-based technology. You're cleaning it, you're getting the job done, and you're doing it with clean air. It's great.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.